Holy shit! Oh god! Woo! Are we okay? I don't want to flip.
We're not gonna flip.
Huh?
We're not gonna flip.
Are you sure? Are you sure, Paul?
Because I'm not going that way.
Yeah, I don't want to flip. This is scary.
What are we doing?
For wheeling.
Is it fun?
Oh yeah, so exciting.
Did we already watch our friend slide off the trail a little bit?
Oh god, I thought they wouldn't make it. We like flip. That's
Good time.
scary.
All right, just want to say hi.
Hi.
Bye.
Shit. Hey Paul, we got flat tire.
We did get a flat
How are you
tire.
doing?
It's a party.
So, yeah, we will not make it any further. We're gonna have to stop here for campfire.
Yes.
And we're right next to the fire pit.
Yeah.
Perfect. Hey.
Hi.
And,
Hi.
we lost air in about 100 feet. Hey everybody. So I first wanted to say, you know, you should sometimes listen to people who have more experience. I have 20s on my truck, and we went on this super fun off-road trail, but like I said, I have 20s on my truck, and I should have like 18s or 17s with much fatter off-road tires. I totally cut a tire. But it was exciting. At least I cut the tire probably about 100 feet from a nice level spot where we found an excellent camp spot. So, you know, cutting the tire got us in this really nice camp spot for the night. But just want to throw that out there. Got a very fabulous sunrise video this morning that I'm going to throw on YouTube after I process that. But it was super fun. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was fun, and thank God we have a friend here to help us. So,
Definitely.
well, yep.
Oh,
Appreciate
another
it.
thing, when it's windy and you're in a rooftop tent, you should probably hook the flap, because it was like early spooky. The zipper kept like moving a little bit. We're like, something's coming to get us.
Yeah.
Eventually I hooked it and it stopped. But just wanted to say, hey, happy Sunday, and I hope you guys are able to adventure if you can. Bye.
Bye.